So this idea of kind of effortless work is a myth in our society that's actually really troubling to me. It's troubling to me on two levels. Number one is it's not true, right? But number two is when I look back at my experience at Princeton, I was part of that. I was the guy who worked really hard, did 2 majors, I wrote 2 senior theses, right? Also was on a team, also was in a fraternity, also drank too much, right? It was kind of like, it was the ethos of like, you know, work hard, party hard, sleep 2 hours, and you can get it done all the time. And I appreciated that that's part of the ethos, and I fell into it, and it's easy to fall into it, but it's not what life's really like. The messy part behind it was, well, you know, when I got that 33 on my first exam in Chemistry 203, and the amount of work that I really needed to do in order to try to make it happen. Or frankly, I remember when I got my first JP back, and it had more red than black on it. But all of it was covered by a veneer of, hey, everything's gonna be okay and I'm doing well. I think that the long-term consequences of telling myself that I could do all of it has been, well, you know what? Fewer brain cells from drinking way too much in college, you know, less time spent on the things that, in looking back, I wish that I did, right? Princeton has so many resources, conversations, other places to meet people. And so part of it is about trying to get all of us to understand that the experience itself is the single most valuable thing at Princeton, as opposed to achieving X, Y, and Z.